guys, and welcome to Mr. S Math Class. But before we start, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and follow Mr. S Math Class. Let's have fun in math with Mr. S. Our lesson for today is on subtraction of fractions, but this time with regrouping. Now let's take this problem for example. Mr. Superman bought 3 whole pizzas. Yet, he gave 5/6 of the pizzas to the kids. Oh, Mr. Superman must be a very good guy. So, how many pizzas were left with Mr. Superman? So how do we solve for it? It's just like 3 minus 5/6. So 3 wholes minus 5/6. Question. Can we immediately subtract 3 and 5/6? No, because 3 is a whole number and 5/6 is a fraction. So we need to make 3 into a mixed number. So how do we do that? Let's regroup 3 into 2 and 6 over 6. 2 and 6 over 6? Take note, we regroup. We take away 1 whole from 3. And that 1 whole, we changed it or we converted it into a fraction 6 over 6. Take note, 6 over 6 is still equal to 1 whole, right? And why 6 over 6? Why not 5/5? Why not 4 over 4? Why not 3 over 3? We choose 6 over 6 because it is similar to 5/6. Got it? And so we now have 2 and 6 over 6 minus 5/6. So 2 wholes minus 0 wholes, it's still 2 whole. Now 6 over 6 minus 5/6, you have 1/6. And so the final answer is 2 and 1/6. So Mr. Superman had 2 wholes and 1/6 of the pizza left with him. Mr. Superman is not on diet. What about the answer, Mr. Superman? Our next example is 3 and 1/4 minus 2 and 2/3. First move, check the fractional part. Oh, they have different names. One is a 4th fraction and the other is a 3rd fraction. So let's make them into fractions with similar name by getting its LCD. Yes, the LCD. And the LCD of 4 and 3 is, or of 1/4 and 2/3 is 12. Very good, 12. Now, let's find the equivalent fractions. 1/4, the denominator is 4, and we have to make it into 12. What will you multiply to 4 to make it a 12? Yes, times 3. Times 3 to 4, times 3 to the numerator 1, and the new fraction now equivalent to 1/4 is 3 over 12. What about 2/3? Oh, multiply 3 by 4 to make it a 12, and then multiply the numerator 2 by 4 to make it an 8. And so the new equivalent fraction now is 8 over 12. Therefore, we are now going to subtract 3 and 3 over 12 minus 2 and 8 over 12. Let's check. The whole number parts, 3 and 2, we can subtract them easily. Okay, 3 minus 2 is just 1 whole. But what about the fraction part first? 3 minus 8. It seems to be a negative result. Can we interchange 8 and 3? No way! Don't do that. But we need to regroup. Regroup meaning we will borrow 1 whole from 3 wholes, and that leaves 2 whole only. And that 1 whole we borrowed will be changed to 12 over 12. So 12 over 12 plus the 3 over 12, that gives us 15 over 12. And so the equivalent mixed number is 2 and 15 over 12. and copy 2 and 8 over 12. Okay, so we're now subtracting 2 and 15 over 12 minus 2 and 8 over 12. Okay, let's subtract now the fractional part. 15 minus 8. Okay, it's now possible. 15 minus 8 is 7. So, the result of the fraction is 7 over 12. What about the whole number? 2 minus 2 is 0. So, the final answer is 7 over 12.